Okay, hi guys. I just wanted to say, first of all, good job at so many of you working and talking to me and getting in contact with me when things aren't working. And thank you for your patience this week. We've had lots and lots of issues with Schoology, and I know that that's not your guys' fault. Please know that that's not my fault. Be frustrated with Schoology all you want, but know that everybody is dealing with it. And so patience and grace are kind of the name of the game right now. Be patient, be gracious, know that people are working on getting so that this all runs smoothly, okay? None of us wanted to be in this situation. We know it's for the best, but we need to find workarounds. So that is what this message is. Schoology has currently disabled the feature that allows me to link a Google Drive assignment and then have it automatically make copies for all of you guys. So those of you who haven't been able to get into the learning plan, talking to you, here's your workaround, okay? If you had already created your learning plan and have it in your Google Drive and you were working on it, you will just submit it in a different way. If you had already submitted your learning plan and taken your quiz, you don't need to do anything. But if you had already submitted your learning plan and not taken your quiz, I'm going to need you to go resubmit the learning plan. So I'm going to work forwards to backwards. If you haven't submitted, or if you haven't even opened a learning plan, that's where I'm going to start. And I'm going to work through opening it, working on it, submitting it, and then what should happen after you submit it, okay? So let's go here. When you go to your Schoology page, you're going to go into the chemical reactions. One thing that I've realized is if you just click this little arrow and then watch the video from here, it does not recognize as you've opened that. So you need to actually go into that folder. Now yours is going to look a little different. This grayed out one is the old one. That's the one that you were using before. I got rid of it on your screen so you won't even see this. The only thing you should see is this Chemical Reactions A Learning Plan Alternative. So if you haven't watched the first video, you need to open that. That'll then key these things to open. Your notes sheet is still here. Your review discussion is still here if you're going to go do that one. And then you need to open this assignment. And this assignment is going to look different than what we usually do, okay? So in order to get into a learning plan, if you haven't already, you're going to click this button. That is going to prompt you to here. You're going to make a copy. You're going to retitle it. See where it says the title right now is Strauss Chemical Reactions A Learning Plan? You need to retitle it with your name, first and last, please. Okay? So you'll make a copy. It'll open up that document, that learning plan. You'll go through it like normal. Okay? When you are done, so you've finished this, and this is where those people who were working on the old way, if you had a learning plan already, you're just going to go into your drive and you're going to search. You're just going to search chemical reactions. Now mine is going to have, a bunch that pop up here. You can see all of those there. It did not delete your guys' old ones, okay? It just hid them from the Schoology end of things. So if you search within your drive, you should be able to find your chemical reactions one, okay? So once you have that, you're going to hit this share button. You're going to get the shareable link, turn that on, copy link. Then you're going to go back here. Over here on Schoology, it should say like make a submission or something. You're going to click on that. Here, I'm going to view it as me so you can, I'm going to view it as a student here so you can see exactly what this looks like. I have myself in here as a student. So you'll see, you don't see that other learning plan. You're going to open this. It should, oh, apparently it doesn't here, but over here it should say make a submission. You're going to make a submission, paste that link that you just copied from the learning plan into that submission and hit submit. Once you've hit submit on that, it should go back and open up that quiz, okay? So again, 3 scenarios, or 4 scenarios probably. You finished the learning plan, you submitted it, you took the quiz. I'm gonna make myself big. You finished the learning plan, you submitted it, you took the quiz. You don't have to do anything. It's going to say you're not done. It's fine. I will be able to access everything. Second scenario, you finished the learning plan, you submitted it, you did not take the quiz. You need to go in, find your learning plan in your drive, copy it, or copy the link, submit it to the new alternative assignment. Third situation, you started a learning plan, you need to find it in your drive, go into the Get Shareable link, submit it when you're all done. Fourth situation, you have not started a learning plan, you need to open the learning plan in that alternative assignment, copy it, make a copy of it, change the name, complete the learning plan, submit, quiz. Okay, I hope this helps you. I'm really sorry that we've had all of these frustrations. A couple reminders, this is technically due tomorrow. It's not closing until another week and a half because of spring break, so you have plenty of time. Please do not stress. I will be on here tonight at 8 p.m. On the Hangouts. I'll include the Hangout link in this email. I will be on at 8 p.m. We can troubleshoot technology. We can go over practice problems. I have a few practice problems that I'll just go through at the start of that right at 8. So I will be on probably 5 minutes early, and I will stay on, because of all the technology needs, I will stay on as long as we need to. So 8 p.m. tonight, if you need something, please, please, please log on and let me help you. I want to help you. I promise it's not weird. You can see my office behind me. You might see my son running around, or my husband. We're going to figure this out together. So please, please, please log on if you need help. I want to help you. I'm here to help you. I need you to come and ask for help if you need it. Thanks, guys.